Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone, for an update of today's weather conditions. Now, after a fairly clear start to the day, we are expecting thunder showers to develop once again over parts of the central interior, particularly for the Northern Cape, as well as some parts of the Eastern Cape. Hot and dry conditions once again under partly cloudy skies further northwards, including in Limpopo and Gauteng, while towards the west it will also be mainly clear, and things are warming up along the southern coastline after yesterday's cloudy and cooler conditions. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued one warning for today. That's for a high fire danger affecting parts of the Northern and Western Cape, and once again runaway fires may develop within this region. Taking a look at the rainfall probability map, and isolated storms may develop around the Upington region, extending into the Free State, including Bloemfontein and Bethlehem. We could see a few thunder showers moving off towards the southern coastline of KwaZulu-Natal as well. Thunder showers around the Drakensberg as well as for parts of the Eastern Cape. A couple of showers at first for the far northeastern corner of KwaZulu-Natal, but those showers will gradually clear during the course of today. Our temperature map indicating warm to hot conditions for most of South Africa. Mid-20s along the south coast of the country, 27 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, Durban as well as Richards Bay in KZN. Warmer for most of the interior of South Africa. Johannesburg gets to 28, while Bloemfontein will peak at 31. Now for your detailed coastal conditions, and we're expecting gusty winds along the west coast of South Africa, 30 kilometers per hour in Langebaan, but that region will see the winds picking up later on, becoming fresh to strong at times. Similar to that, we're expecting winds to freshen for the Table Bay region later on in the day, but for most of the day it will average at 30 kilometers per hour. Stronger winds expected between False Bay and Cape Agulhas, swells at about 3 meters for that area. We're expecting strong easterly winds for Port Elizabeth and Jeffreys Bay today. A little bit of a southeasterly component coming through for both Plettenberg Bay and Mossel Bay. Swells in this region averaging at about 2 meters. And along the eastern coastline, we're expecting a northeasterly wind for the Wild Coast and East London. This area will also see winds increasing gradually as the day goes on. Lighter winds for Durban and Richards Bay, and swells remaining low across the area. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a lovely Friday.